Is your Spectrum cable box overheating? It's a common issue that can cause shutdowns, pixelation, or even permanent damage. Overheating happens when the internal components generate more heat than they can dissipate. The good news is you can often fix it yourself. The key is proper ventilation. Cable boxes need unobstructed airflow. Make sure vents are clear by at least 2 to 4 inches on all sides, following FCC guidelines. Placement is crucial too. Avoid enclosed spaces like cabinets. Instead, put the box in an open area where the ambient temperature is below 95 degrees Celsius. Elevating the box 6 to 12 inches off the floor improves air circulation. By following these simple steps, you can significantly reduce overheating problems. According to Spectrum CTO, 80% of overheating cases come from blocked vents, and the fix is simple education. So make sure to spread the word to any friends or family who may have this issue. Beyond ventilation and placement, consider these power tips. Use a dedicated power outlet with a surge protector to stabilize voltage. Unplug the box during storms or extended periods of inactivity to reduce heat. Ensure the power cord isn't kinked or overloaded, as this can cause resistance heating. Keep an eye on future trends too. New Spectrum boxes are designed with AI-driven fan controls and eco-friendly components, reducing power consumption and heat generation. While overheating is declining with the new technology, 4K streaming and multiple devices can still raise thermal loads. The future of cable boxes points towards wireless, fanless designs using materials like graphene for better heat conduction. In the long term, the industry may shift towards cloud-based processing, reducing the need for physical boxes altogether. Stay proactive with ventilation and placement, use power tips, and look forward to these technological advances to combat overheating effectively.